So, you want to improve your packing process. But how should you do it? Reduce your costs or increase output? Well, with a Marco packing system, you can do both. Reduce labour and pack faster. Increase your export potential whilst reducing transport costs. Quickly adapt to changing market conditions and reduce downtime. These benefits and more, such as packing smarter and faster on a globally accredited system, can increase your productivity by 30%. This increase in productivity means more profits from the same harvest yield, allowing you to recoup the cost of your new system within just one growing season. Don't compromise. Measure, control, and improve with Marco Trac-IT.